your English lecture. Today we are going to start with the new topic, that is film review. Let's start with the icebreakers. Read the following conversation and complete the activities given below. See here, Mini, exams are over. Relax. Let us plan something interesting. Ritu, how about a movie? Paddy, great, let's go for Aladdin. Mini, oh no, I have seen it. It has only a 1-star rating. Ritu, how about the new release? Yes, Harry Potter? Della, it is boring. I have read the review in this morning. I don't want to waste my time. Paddy, wait friends, I will check. Let's decide later. Now, from this conclusion, what you come to know? See here, choose the correct alternative from the following. From 1-star given to the movie, we conclude that, see the options are given here. The movie is very short. The movie is not worth watching. The movie is serious. The movie is in black and white. Here children, the correct option is the movie is not worth watching. Why we can say this? Because the stars which are given to the movie, you can say it is a symbol of movie ratings here, like whether it's worth watching, whether it's good, whether it's fantastic and all everything. So if only 1-star is given here, so we can conclude that it is not worth watching. So same here, from this conversation we come to know all these characters are deciding which movie to go, and they are deciding the movie according to the ratings of the movie, or you can say these ratings are given after the review of the movie is given in a magazine or a newspaper. So today in this topic we are going to learn how to write a film review. Now next question, discuss with your teacher how and why are stars given to a movie. Just now I told you stars are given to a movie to give them a rating, whether it's worth watching, whether it's good, whether it's you can say excellent movie and all. So stars are given to rate the movie about what quality the movie is. Next one, the word review is different from summarizing and appeal writing. Now we all know what is summarizing. In summary, what we write, we just give the 1/3 or 1/6 of the content which is given in front of us, and appeal is a request to the people here or whatever the topic may be. But here they are saying a review is different from summary and appeal. So choose the correct statement of the following here. A film review is an expression of your personal views towards a particular film, documentary or movie. A film review gives you an opportunity to express opinions about a movie, including its characters, plot, background. A film review gives appealing sentences that make your reader curious or anxious about the film. And a review means explanation of each and every event of the film. So here children, the correct option is first two here. A film review, you can say it is an expression of your personal views. After watching the movie, what you feel here about the film, about you, if you have watched a documentary or a movie here. So how you feel, what is the movie? Here you express your views regarding the character, plot and background. So here the first two options are the correct one. Now, as I told you, in this lecture we are going to learn how to write a film review. Now they have given you the review of Jungle Book movie here. We all know Jungle Book. It is a very well-known, you can say, story related to children here, told about the main character named Mowgli and how he interacts or how he grows, living among the animals and all. So see here, a movie is made on the same story here. So let's see what a review of that movie is given. Now whenever you write the review in your examination, if they ask you to write a review, it is not that children, for review they will ask only to write about a movie here. They can also ask you to write about any novel or any textbook here which you have read. Textbook, you all have read English textbook, any science textbook, geography textbook. So how you feel, what chapters are given there, and who is the publisher, and who are the people who editors here, the you can say the committee who has set up the textbook, who has chosen the prose and poems in the English textbook, and how you feel whether it is good for the children and all. So everything while writing the review, you have to keep all these things in mind. It is related to book which I have told you. If you are writing a review on a movie, so let's see how you are going to write it. When you start writing the review, first thing you have to write the title, means you have to write the name of the movie. Then in short you will just tell what is the movie, means what is the story here, what is the storyline of the movie here. So here you can say Rudyard Kipling classic tale of a young boy brought up in the jungle by various animals is brought to life once again on the big screen in a fittingly wonderful way. So what is the story? See, from this sentence itself we come to know that the story is of a young boy who is brought up in the jungle by various animals. We all have read, or we all have, you can say, we all know about this story of a young boy named Mowgli who is brought up by animals in the jungle. So here, based on this same story, a movie is made. Mowgli leads a peaceful and a happy life with a wolf pack led by Akela, that is Esposito and Raksha, Noango, until the tiger Sher Khan, Elba, enters the scene. Means here you come to know how peaceful the life of the main character here goes on with the other characters here till the antagonist of the story, means the Sher Khan, the villainous character of the story, enters the scene bearing an old grudge and an insatiable desire for revenge, and how he wants to take the revenge against the main character here. So here this is the storyline. You have to write first thing. Now the review here. While writing the review, you will write, if you go to the cinema to watch a movie that will draw you into your fantasy world of wonder, means here you will tell that how you, after watching the movie, how you will feel. So you can say it will draw you into a fantasy world. We all know that in this movie only the main character Mowgli is the alive character here, and all the animals are, you can say, been shown in the movie with the help of animation here. You can see them talking with the main character here. So here you can say it draws you into a fantasy world of wonder. We cannot expect the main, you can say, animals speaking to us. So here you can say it is the fantasy world of wonder. Favorite retelling of this story. Now we all know this story very well. We have heard this story, or we have listened to this story since our childhood. But still, here the director of the movie, Favreau, he has retold the story, which is so many of us remember from our childhood, manages to view that magic. But still, how nicely the director has shown the movie here on the screen that it really, you can say, attracts our attention here. We all know how the story plays out. With the panther Bagheera, Kinsley help Mowgli, that is Seti, tries to stay away from Sher Khan, means how he tries to protect him from Sher Khan. He also encounters the devious Pathan Ka, Johansson, and supersized organton with soul singers baritone named King Louis Vaughan, desperate to obtain red flower, which is fire, and of course Balu the grizzly bear Murray. There are the key these are the key characters, but you will also be delighted to discover a few new entrants along the way as well. Means you will come in the review, you will speak here that how the movie goes about, who are the main characters, minor characters here. It also builds on the charm of the 1967 film, which is by itself is a must-watch for any child. Means it builds on the charm here. Charm here you can say in 1967 how people used to like that movie. In the same way, now after so many years also, when this movie is shown on the screen, still people feel that that era is been, you can say, again recollected in their mind here. And it is a must watch, means must watch here, you can say here it is a very good movie, best movie, and every child should watch it. After that you will write about the movie here. While Seti is of course the only real person in here, all the animals have fantastic degree of photorealism. As I told you before, that in the movie only one person, the main character movie, is the real person here, and all the animals are being shown through photorealism, means what you can say, animation here. And Seti interaction with the animals throughout the duration of the movie, given that they are CGI, is completely convincing here. Means how he interacts with the animal here, it really makes it very lively. We really feel that how the main character is interacting with the animals, and how animals are trying to help him from Sher Khan and all. He combines innocence and warmth with survival skills and resourcefulness of someone far older here. While Favreau is faithful to old elements like old songs like bare necessities included, of course, he also brings a few new subtle touches as well as in order to keep things interesting. Means he has included some old elements in the movie, but it is not like that all the things are old here. Some new things are also added in the movie, which makes the movie very interesting. While the King Louis scene is one of the many high points, car screen time could have been lengthened a bit. Here you are telling here that scene for one of the many high points, means that is King Louis scene is mostly liked by the audience here. And car screen time means car is shown on the screen for a very limited period of time. So here you are saying that it should have been lengthened a bit, though nonetheless the performance of the voice cast is spot on, means the people who have given voice to the characters is on to the point. But more than anything, the intricate landscaping, masterful camera work and environment create a delightfully immersive experience. Means here you can say the intricate landscaping, where the landscape is there shown in the movie, means it is in the movie is been you can say in the jungle here, how the camera work is done, how the atmosphere of the forest is shown. So here you can say it is actually filmed in downtown Los Angeles. So it's really great work done. So it is very heartwarming and enjoyable. See, this review was given in Times of India here on May 9, 2016 here. So in this way, whenever you write a review, you have to keep in mind, first you will write story, then you will write review, means what is the story about, who are the main character, minor characters, the director here, and while last one the movie, you will speak about the cinematography here, you will speak about the you can say plot, you can speak about the landscape here, how the camera work is done and everything here. Now see here, steps to write a film review. Here they have also guided you how to write a film review. Now before watching the movie, make a study of the relevance of the title, the year of the release, the names of the script writer who has written the script, who is the producer, director and characters, and the genre, means type of the movie. Whether it is you can say patriotic movie, general movie, love story, or you can say horror movie, which type of movie it is. So here before watching the movie, you have to make study of the title, why the title is, this type of title is given to the movie, when it was related, who is the script writer, producer, director, who are the major and minor characters of the story, and what is the type of the movie here. While watching the movie, watch the movie attentively. Take notes about the major and minor events. See here, when you take note of the major and minor events, then only you can tell which scene was at the high point here, how the characters have acted, who was there for a long period of time, which character was shown on the screen for only short period of time, and how was the cinematography, how it is been shown on the screen here, where the movie is being you can say shot here, what is the location, what is the plot of the story here, who are the major and minor characters, what is the moral or message of the story for the audience, who has given the music, who has directed, who has done the set designs, what is the background of the background music, sound, recording quality, message, etc. All this you have to keep in mind. After watching the movie, choose an appropriate format for the review writing. Means you have to choose the appropriate format here. As I told you, first you will write in short the story, then you will write the review, and then you will write the movie. Organize a sequence of events commented on according to their importance. Make use of proper language and vocabulary. Do the actual writing of the report, typing, editing, proofreading, re-editing, and final presentation here. You cannot just write and present it. When you write the report, you have to see whether you have not made any mistake. Then you have to see to that it is typed. Then you have to edit if any you can find any mistakes are there. Then again proofreading should be done. Then re-editing for that, and then final presentation. Now see here, every movie is worth critiquing. Describe in detail each point related to with the help of film review with the help of the following web here. Now here they have asked you the film review. When you write a film review, all these things you have to speak about a film. Now here you can say plot analysis means what? Screen incidents here. How the movie is taking place in sequence. That is known as what? Plot analysis. You have to speak about that. Characterization means how the characters are shown in the story here. Whether they are shown very sound, the character is very sound here. Whether they have not shown very in a very strong way. Or who are the major characters, minor characters. Then cinematography, you have to say whether they are presented authentic and real, or you can say wonderfully, that keeps the people spellbound, they like to watch the movie. Then how is the music and sound, how the direction is done by the director, how the characters have acted in the movie, who is the script writer, how well he has written the story, what is the type of the movie, you have to speak about. After that, discuss and explain the movie, The Jungle Book, with the help of the, you can say, following points. Now, first one they have given is classic element here. Now, classic element here, children, you can say it means to judge over a period of time to be the highest quality and outstanding of its kind. Means how excellent the movie is. After so many years also people should like to watch the movie. They should feel like watching the movie here. After that, fantasy. Now fantasy here you can say it is like an imaginative fiction, you can say, involving magic, adventure, everything in the movie. And the same thing here, as I told you, only in the story, main character Mowgli is the real character. All the animals are being shown through animation here and photorealism. They have been shown how they speak to the main character, how they show their emotions towards the main character, how they try to help the main character from the, you can say, antagonist, that is Sher Khan in the movie. After that, photorealism means what? Here you can say an artist studies photograph and then attempts to reproduce the image realistically in front of the audience. That is known as what? Photorealism. Means how we have imagined the animals maybe talking to Mowgli, the main character here, how they might be showing their emotion towards Mowgli, how they are trying to help the character from Sher Khan here. So all this being shown on the screen, that is known as what? Photorealism. And blending of emotion here. Means here in the movie the strong emotions are shown here about animals' emotion, that how they are connected to the main character, how they look after the main character here. The wolf mother means who looks after Mowgli here in the jungle here, how they try to help him and all everything. So it is right, a good blend of emotion is shown in the Jungle Book, the movie here. After that, it builds on the charm of 1967 film, which is by itself is a must watch for any child. Explain the sentence in the context of the movie here. Now here you can say Charm year of 1967, here you can say that in that era, your children used to like this kind of movie, means, or and now after so many years when this movie is been released on the screen again those you can say fond memories are recollected in our mind when we watch the movie here. And must watch here you can say that we should not miss the not we should not miss watching this movie here on screen. It is really good to watch. After that, the factors that have made the Jungle Book a great movie are why it has become a very well-known movie, a very hit movie. So here you can say it's a fantasy world of wonder. The photorealism is really excellent here. There is beautiful blending of emotions here you can say. And how through CGI the animals are shown in a truly convincing way. That is also good. Because of all this reason, here you can say that the Jungle Book has become very hit movie. Now, the present review concludes with 2 words: heartwarming and enjoyable. Write your opinion in about, you can say, 100 to 150 words. Heartwarming and enjoyable, here you can say the movie which is being shown by the director Favreau, it infuses the scene which promotes, you can say, strong emotion, excellent performance by the character. The director has very nicely portrayed the animals' emotion in the movie. Audience feel connected and all. So because of that, the deep, you can say, deep affection between the you can say human beings and animal is being shown in the movie. And for that reason, what happened? It is very heartwarming and really people find it very enjoyable to watch it. Now they have given you one more here name of the movie Narina here for the children, and here they want you to write a review for the same thing. So while writing the review, you have to keep all these things in mind, that is storyline, producer, director, music director, characters, how the major and minor, where what is the setting of the movie, where it is, what is the conflict here, means what is the conflict between the antagonist and the protagonist here, what is the message and what is the significance, or you can say relevance of the title here. Same thing they have asked you here again. In your exam also, children, they will ask you to write film review. In your writing skill, this topic is there. So here you have to keep all this thing in mind. Whenever they ask you to write a film review, so you have to speak about the storyline, means what is the story, then who is the producer, director, music director, who are the major and minor characters, setting, location, what is the conflict between the antagonist and protagonist, what is the message and the significance of the title. I hope you have understood this. Okay. Now here children, I am going to start with the next topic here, that is the art of comparing here. Now, in this topic we are going to learn how to compare any function, any event here. So before that, let's see the icebreakers. Read the given words and share with your friend what comes to your mind. When you read the word anchoring, what you come to know? Who is the anchor here? Here you can say anchoring is coordinating a flow of events during any event. So anchor is the person who coordinates the flow of event. He tells us, he tells the audience what will take place now, what will be the next event, after that what will happen. So he is the person who coordinates a flow of event during any particular function. After that, comparing. Now here you can say comparing is done by a comparer, means who is a person whose job is to introduce performers in the television, radio or a stage show. Means he introduces the performance here. Hosting program, means hosting programs means receiving and entertaining guests or acting as a comparer in a function. Public speaking, here you can say a single person speaking to a group or a person giving a speech and all. Now see, go through the following web that highlights the essential qualities of a comparer. Discuss with your partner the essential qualities and also the precaution that a comparer should take while comparing a program. Now whenever a person is been appointed as a comparer for any event here, these qualities the person should inherit. What are these qualities? First one is in-depth knowledge. In-depth knowledge about the event here. Here you have to come to know what is the event, why it is organized, who are the organizer, who are the audience, who is the chief guest. Everything you should know about the particular event here. Here the person, the comparer should be very confident while speaking because he tries, he is the person who the people, who the audience look up to first. He is the person who introduces or he tells them about the upcoming events in the function here. So if he or she is not confident while speaking, what will happen? It will try to cause the you can say harm to the you can say rapport of the people who have organized the function here. Sense of humor, the person should have that much skill to you can say crack a joke or try to say something to attract the attention of the audience, to make them laugh, see to it that they are not bored or they do not get distracted. Then after that, appropriate body language. The person should stand very erect, very confidently speak here. He should not murmur anything. He should speak very confidently. Then walk properly on the stage and see to it that he or she has eye contact with the audience, has smile on the face, should be not very loud or not you can say speak very low, slowly here, and you should also see to it that when you are comparing here, you do not speak any rude word or anything. You have to speak very politely to the audience, have a smile on your face and everything. And your presence of mind is also very important. Suddenly, if any changes are there in you can say in any event here, so the comparer should have a presence of mind, how he takes up those things and how he tries to cover up if any loophole is there in the event here. After that, they have asked you precautions to be taken here. What precaution a person can take while comparing here? First, see to it that he or she doesn't speak rudely to anyone. He or she is very polite. The clothing should be appropriate according to the function here because the audience are going to look up to him. He should properly introduce the dignitaries who are attending the function here. Or you can say it is the function is related to the you can say particular event here, and his role, comparer's role is to introduce the performers here or to the dignitaries to the audience here. So he should see to it that he is concentrating on that particular role of his or her, or not only just going on speaking and boring the audience here. Now see here, they have given you the art of comparing here. The person who compares a show, introduces the program and the participant is called the Master of Ceremonies, abbreviated as MC or MP, or the comparer, anchor, announcer and microphone controller. See, a comparer is known by all these names. He is a mediator or you can say announcer and coordinator of the event. Means he introduces the performers to the audience. The master of ceremony is an apt description of the anchor as he or she is the formal host and the felicitator of the event here. Why they are saying the title given to the anchor here, that is the master of ceremonies here, means it is very apt, it is very correct here because he or she is the person who introduces the performers to the audience here. So he knows everything about the function. There can be a wide range of events, right from highly formal ones like seminars, conferences, informal ones like annual gathering, fresher parties or weddings. For all these you can say events you require a comparer. So the role of an amici is to warm of the crowd and give them an idea about the program ahead. He or she is there to glorify the performance of all the performance with their his or her appropriate positive comments and appreciation, and hence it is his unsaid job to ensure enthusiasm among the viewers with active response in the form of an applause. Means whenever the performers they perform on the stage, at the end it is the duty, or you can say the anchor or the comparer should ask the audience to you can say appreciate or encourage the performers with an applause here. He has to make sure that there are smooth transition between different segments of the program, means everything is going on how it is being planned. In fact, he has to master the skill of stringing or weaving the whole event in an artistic thread. Nicely, he should plan his comparing script here so that the audience feel very connected to all the events here. At the same time, there should be at the same time, should there be any hiccups, the MEP still has to ensure smooth movement of the program. Means if there are you can say any barrier or anything in the program here, suddenly something happens here, so he should have presence of mind to handle everything very smoothly. See here, now that we have ascertained that the role of MEP is, here are some of the insight. Now, before you anchor or before you compare any function here, so what you should do? You should practice first, because in front of the mirror you should stand and you have to practice. You have to see when you speak something, how you look, what is your body language, how confidently you are speaking, whether you are able to look into the eye of the audience and speak here. Be well prepared and a word perfect to innovate and add spontaneous expression confidently on the stage here. You have to very well prepared here. You have to write the script first. You have to dress up appropriately. You have to keep in mind you are not the star of the show, but you are introducing those performers. You have to steadily breathe and deeply breathe also. Address the audience with a smile, suitable expression, voice modulation should be there. You have to maintain eye contact. Bring pace to your delivery. You should not just go on reading very fast, very nicely. You should speak here as if you are interacting. Means you have to. The audience should feel that you are interacting to them. You are connected to them. You have to keep the timing or time limit also in mind while anchoring the show here. And if apologize should be there, major flow mistake or mishap is done in the anchoring here. Now see here, they have given you sample comparing script here. Now when you compare the function here, first you have to give your introduction here. See, like, good evening ladies and gentlemen, I extend a very warm and heartfelt welcome to you on behalf of our college here. You have to first welcome them, greet them, welcome them. Then you have to speak about the function. We have organized an evening of song, dance and pageantry for you, giving you a quick exotic taste of India. It's like an annual function. So here, so you will tell them, we welcome you in our midst in the traditional Indian way, like kumkum tilak on the forehead, because the red signifies the auspicious occasion. Then the aarti, it will remove the evil eye, so the function goes on smoothly. Then trumpet signaling the beginning of the function. Then after that, the lighting of the lamp here. I call upon the chairperson XYZ to light the lamp. Then about the event here, you have to nicely properly what are all those events which are mentioned here. You have to prepare a script for that. See here, our country is historically Asian and spiritually deep, geographically vast and culturally rich. So she has tradition, custom and modes which are thousands of years old. Though making fast progress in the 21st century, her music, dance and drama languages survive and renew themselves continuously through ages. You have to give introduction regarding, suppose it is a dance song performance. So how we have got this from our culture here, that you have to tell here. We offer you this evening tantalizing the glimpse of Indian culture here. Then you have to speak more sentences on that. See here, The Lavani embodies Srinagar Rasa. Srinagar Rasa. Srinagar means decorating and dressing up, and Rasa is the mood that is created here. So let's get into the mood and enjoy scintillating Lavani performance. Then at the end you have to say, now put your hands together for a round applause for this wonderful performance. Then the next event. Then again here you can try to encourage the performance, saying how it was an awesome performance. Then again huge round of applause after the third performance. Everything you have to introduce the performance right very nicely here, very innovatively. Then you have to encourage them, you have to tell audience to appraise them here for their performance. Then at the end of the function, closing here you can say, you can give a vote of thanks. No program would be a success without dedicated team of the people who are there involved in making the program successful. So you have to give the thanks to them. So here you can say, I take this opportunity to thank each and every member of the organizing team to putting up the brilliant show and transporting to us to plentiful fields of India. We are extremely grateful to our guests for their gracious presence. Your people who are involved, you are thanking them. The guests who have attended the function, you are thanking them. Then I would also like to take opportunity to thank the choreographers, set designer, light operators, technical support team and all. So everyone you are thanking. Then last but not the least, thank you the audience for being so supportive and responsive. So children, in this way you have to write an anchoring script. In your exam they will ask you to write an anchoring script. The anchoring script is regarding the annual function. It can be for Independence Day function, or it can be regarding, you can say, seminar, anything. You have to just compare. So you have to keep in mind, whenever you are comparing, while writing the comparing speech, introduction, you have to greet the audience, you have to introduce them, why is the function organized here, then lighting the lamp, then the main event. If the guest is going to speak, so you have to welcome, you can say, first you will give welcome speech of the guest by introducing the guest. Then afterwards you will ask you will write the guest speech, and the person who is invited there, he will speak. You have to introduce him to the stage here to speak, and at the end of the function, vote of thanks is required. See, they have given here. Imagine you are a comparer of a prize distribution ceremony of your college. Write a script. Introduction, brief introduction to the program. You have to write welcome speech, felicitation of the guest by the principal and vice principal, you can say. Then the lighting of the lamp, welcome song, the main events, how you are going to introduce those students who are going to be, you can say, given prize or medals here. And lastly, vote of thanks. I have shown you one which is given in the textbook. I have explained to you how to do it. Try to practice this one. I hope you have understood. I end my lecture here. Thank you.